Welcome to Module 5, Lesson 3, Introducing Functions. Excel's built-in functions provide a relatively simple and efficient way to perform complex tasks within your worksheet. A function is a predefined formula used for specific purposes and calculations. There are over 470 functions in Excel, covering numerous categories, including mathematical calculations, lookup operations, logical evaluations, and calculating dates and times. In this lesson, you will learn the concept of functions and how they are used in an Excel worksheet. You will also review several of the more common functions such as sum, average, maximum, and minimum to identify how these functions can help you with your formula and worksheet calculations. Topic 1. Use functions in calculations. To effectively use a function in your worksheet, you need to understand how it is structured and which components are required or optional. A function is structured with the following elements. Function name. All functions begin with the standard equal sign, followed by the name of the function and an opening and closing parentheses. And arguments. Most functions use arguments within the brackets, which often refer to cell references or ranges to include in the calculation. To insert a function into a worksheet, start by entering the equal sign, followed by the name of the function. As you enter the function name, Excel uses IntelliSense to provide a list of all the functions related to the letters you type. When the intended function is displayed, use the Tab key to have Excel automatically finish the function name and start the opening parentheses for you. The Formulas tab in Excel contains the function library, where you will find all the functions listed by category, such as financial, logical, date and time, math and trig, and so on. You can use the function library to browse for a specific function to insert into your worksheet. After you select a function to be used, the function wizard launches to assist in adding additional arguments and finalizing the build of your formula. If you need assistance in finding a function to perform a specific task, use the Insert Function command found in the function library or to the left of the formula bar. Another method to open the Insert Function dialog box is to use the Shift F3 shortcut key combination on the keyboard. One of the more common types of calculations used in a worksheet is adding numbers together to result in a sum total. You can easily use the plus symbol, sign to add a range of numbers. However, for large ranges of numbers, the formula could become quite unmanageable. As shown, the formula in cell K2 manually adds the cells from B2 to I2. Using this type of formula is prone to input error because each cell must be manually entered into the calculation. The formula in cell K3 contains the sum function, which totals the range of cells from B3 to I3. You can use the Alt = keyboard shortcut to enter the sum function into a cell. This will start the formula and will then require you to specify the cells to be calculated. Some worksheet calculations may require you to add a range of cells and then divide by the number of cell entries. The result displays the average of the values entered in the cells. Similar to the sum function, you can manually input the calculation. However, using the average function is easier because it performs the calculation automatically. To calculate the average for a range of cells, start with the equal sign followed by the word average and then an opening parentheses. You can then input or select the range of cells to average. Thank you for watching. See you in the next topic. Use max and min functions in formulas.